Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable prioritize MP tray on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here, we need to go over to function settings and go to printer. Now click on the printer settings, and here you guys need to scroll a bit down until you guys see the prioritize MP tray. So now we can enable it, and as you guys can see, the settings are now configured, or we can disable it so we don't use it. So that's basically it. You guys need to feel it, and you guys need to actually use both of those settings to see which one feels like you're gonna use the most. And I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.